Hey everyone, this is Divya.
And this is Sanjay, and we are Tabutinkufoodies. And we'd like to thank you all for your continued love and support to our channel, as we have grown to a community of 1,000 subscribers.
And this really encourages us to bring such healthy and tasty recipes to you through this channel.
So keep loving, keep supporting, and let's go on with today's recipe.
So to celebrate this occasion, I'm gonna share a rich, silky, creamy yogurt cheesecake recipe. This heavenly dessert is made with hung curd, which is super easy to make at home, and the crust is a combo of only 4 ingredients: oats, flaxseed, honey and coconut oil. So without further delay, if you are new here, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get started. So first we'll make the hung curd. We'll place a cheesecloth over a large bowl and add 1 kilogram of curd or yogurt. Now tie this cloth and hang it in the fridge along with the bowl for 24 hours so that the dripping water can collect in the bowl. After 24 hours, when all the water is drained off, you will get this nice, thick and creamy hung curd. So this is ready. Now we'll prepare the crust. In a blender, we'll add 2 tablespoons flax seeds and blend them into a fine powder. The flaxseed powder is ready. We'll keep this aside. Now we'll add 1.5 cup oats in a blender and blend them into oat flour. The oat flour is ready. We'll transfer this in a large bowl. Now add in the flaxseed powder, 2 tablespoons honey, (3 tablespoons coconut oil and mix it well. The crust mixture is ready. At this stage, we'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we'll grease the baking pan nicely with oil. Place the parchment paper. Add in the crust mixture. And using a spoon, press it evenly into the base. Now we'll bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. So it's been 10 minutes, the crust is ready. Keep this aside and let it cool completely. Now in a food processor, we'll add the hung curd. We'll also add half cup of jaggery powder and mix it well. Now we'll add 1/3 cup of thick coconut milk, 3 tablespoons rice flour and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. We'll give it a good mix. Make sure to scrape down the sides whenever necessary. Now we'll add 3 eggs and give it a quick mix. So this is ready. We'll preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now pour the batter over the crust. Take a large piece of foil and place the pan in the center and gently wrap the foil around the pan. We'll place the pan on a bigger baking dish and fill the dish about an inch with hot water. This hot water protects the cheesecake from cracking and the aluminum foil prevents water from getting inside the pan. We'll bake this at 180 degrees Celsius for 60 minutes. After 60 minutes, turn off the oven and let the cheesecake sit in that hot water for an hour. The cheesecake looks perfect. Now unwrap the foil, let it cool completely, and then keep it in the fridge to chill overnight for the perfect texture. Now gently run a knife around the edges and unmold the cheesecake. I'm topping it with some strawberries and red grapes, but you can garnish it with any fruits of your choice. You can also add strawberry jam I made in my crepes video. I'll make sure to provide a link here. So the cheesecake looks perfect. I love the texture. It's creamy, silky, and looks totally irresistible. So I'm gonna dig in right away. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're a fan of cheesecake, you will definitely love this recipe. So do try it out and let me know in the comment section. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe, hit the bell icon. You can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook. So stay tuned, happy eating, I'll see you next time.